Hello all, this is Nick from R.A.W. Bushcraft Survival Adventures here. Thank you for joining me today. Question. All I got with me is this little Swiss Army knife camper, non-locking blade. I don't want to be battening with this, so how am I going to split this piece of wood? Simple. What we're going to do, we're going to cut into the piece of wood with the blade, just very light batting to the top, pull it out, go again, then once you've done that, you're going to use a wedge that you've made. This is one I made earlier. Put my knife down, I'm going to use that wedge to split my wood. I'm going to batten the wedge. As you can see, splitting it right there. And there you have it. And if I want to go again, just do the same again. So, just light taps on the knife. I don't want to break my knife. Use the wedge. There you have it. That is splitting wood with a Swiss Army knife camper climber. Thank you for joining me. This is Nick from R.A.W. Bushcraft Survival Adventures. Nice quick one for you.